Rhodes, Greece food, a culinary journey through ancient flavors. Imagine sitting at a seaside taverna on the island of Rhodes, savoring dishes that carry centuries of tradition, influenced by ancient Greece, Ottoman flavors, and Mediterranean abundance. Rhodes, known for its stunning beaches and medieval old town, also boasts a rich culinary heritage that offers an unforgettable experience for food lovers. From rustic, traditional meals to modern interpretations of classic dishes, Rhodes has something for every palate. Rhodes cuisine is rooted in fresh, local ingredients, olive oil, herbs, fish, and seasonal vegetables. One dish that stands out is pitaroudia, a crispy, flavorful chickpea fritter that's often served as a meze, appetizer. These golden bites, flavored with mint and onion, offer a simple yet satisfying taste of local tradition. Pair them with a glass of ouzo or local wine, and you've begun your Rhodes culinary adventure. For seafood enthusiasts, Rhodes is a paradise. Freshly caught fish, grilled to perfection and drizzled with olive oil and lemon, is a staple. Don't miss out on kakavia, a hearty fish soup made with the catch of the day, simmered in a broth of olive oil, tomatoes, and herbs. It's a dish that speaks of the island's intimate connection with the sea. Rhodes is also famous for its kleftiko, a slow-cooked lamb dish that melts in your mouth. This traditional meal is prepared by baking lamb with garlic, lemon, and rosemary and parchment paper, locking in all the flavors and creating a tender, aromatic delight. Another local favorite is moussaka, the Greek classic made with layers of eggplant, minced meat, and creamy bechamel sauce. While available across Greece, Rhodes moussaka is often praised for its rich, hearty flavors. No food experience in Rhodes is complete without trying melancholy, a traditional sesame and honey bar often served at weddings and celebrations. This sweet treat, made with just a few simple ingredients, is a perfect way to end a meal or enjoy as a quick snack while exploring the island. Whether you're dining at a chic restaurant in Rhodes town or a family-run taverna in a village, the island's food scene offers a rich mix of history, flavor, and hospitality. What dish are you most excited to try on your visit to Rhodes?